Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TurboTax app how to see how much I owe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To check how much you owe using the TurboTax app, what you need to do is head over and open up your TurboTax app, and then once you launch your app, log into your account with credentials. Now once logged in, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on tax return and documents on the bottom. And now here, what you need to do is, after opening your tax return, look for a section like tax summary or overview. The name may vary slightly depending on the version of the app, and then in the summary section you'll find the line showing amount you owe or total tax due. This will show amount you owe for the tax year. If you owe taxes, TurboTax will provide options to pay, such as by debit or credit card or setting up an installment plan with IRS. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.